He's speaking to me in Morse code with his eyes.
Dang, boy.
He just roundhouse kicked that train. That's what he did.
Just roundhouse kicked the train.
Good job.
Good job. Turn it off. All right, get back to Mama. Ow, Sarge, quit.
What'd he do?
Scratch me. Oh, no.
Good job.
Louis, look at me. You're a great kid, and we would never do anything to hurt you. I'm sorry. Next up is Louis.
Yes, Louis. Excuse me.
It's okay. It's gonna work this time. I won't let you down. I promise.
All right, Louis, I trust you. Knock him down. Devastator Sage, please don't kill anyone. Okay, stand back, everybody. This next project will knock your socks off. Seriously, you might want to stand back a little.
Have you ever forgotten something, and no matter how hard you tried, you couldn't remember it?
Good job.
You gonna stand? Can you stand?
No.
No. Get that ball, Sarge. Hey, Drew, can you stand for me?
No.
Stand up. I'll do it. Stand. Push up. Push. Hold it. Yes, you can do it.
Good job.
You did a good 5.
So cute.